So far, we have discussed preparation writing, writing purposes, or writing for different audiences. Now, let's look at the role of the teacher in terms of developing writing. Of course, when the students are asked to write for different purposes, of course the role of the teacher is there. But now let's look at specifically the role of the teacher in terms of developing writing skill. The role of teacher is not just one role, rather the teacher assumes different roles while teaching writing. For example, if you are teaching writing skill to your students and the students are reluctant, they are just shy or hesitant to produce a sentence with the fear that they may be judged or they may produce wrong sentences. So what you can do, this is what the role of the teacher is: to encourage them, to motivate them, and to engineer or channelize them into thinking and expressing themselves in English. So the role of teacher is important in terms of implementing or teaching writing through task-based language teaching. Task-based language teachings, for example, before the task, if the students are too reluctant, the teacher can relax the student and brainstorm them, give them particular vocabulary, give them particular expressions, make them think and prepare them into writing. And this is how the students can be provoked into thinking and then writing. And during the task, the teacher is there as a facilitator, looking after the student, offering them assistance, offering them help where it's needed, and after the task the student give proper feedback how the student produced writing. So this is how the role of teacher is just like a demonstrator, is just to make the student consciously aware or notice the significance or of different conventions and genres. For example, the student may not be aware of creative writing, or they may not be aware of the writing for different purposes, writing for general purposes, writing for medical purposes, or writing for business purposes, or writing for academic purposes. So this is how the teacher's role is, just to ensure that the students can take notice of the things and they become consciously aware of what they need to do while writing. For example, if the students complain that they don't have words, they don't have vocabulary, then what? The teacher can code switch and discuss ideas in the first language and put the difficult words or the words which will occur in the task on the notice board. So this is how the role of teacher is, just to provoke students have some ideas, no matter if they use first language. But the use of first language should be used in EFL classrooms with certain amount of caution. And if the tasks the student face too much difficult, the teacher may think of changing the task and deviating from the normal planned lesson plan, right? So it's just to exciting them into the value of the task, and the teacher can clarify to the student, look, this task can be helpful for you to use outside the classroom. So as I said before task, while task, and after task, the role of teacher is crucial in terms of working with the student and making them realize the significance of writing And the basic problem could be that of expressions or lexes or syntactic structures, and the teacher can write those expressions on the board, or if the board is not there, the teacher can give such expressions to the students while they are working in groups.